social netizens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine. Thank you for dropping by. It's been a hot minute, but we're back. So I went shopping for hiking gear in the last 2 weekends, and I got quite a number of things, and here they are. Yeah, I'm still preparing for a hike. I know I've been to 2 hikes. I need to go for three, two more, and then one major one. And yeah, that's why I am still shopping for hiking gear. And I'm hoping this is the last one. Okay, it's not really the last one because I still need to buy a bag and a water bladder and waterproof poncho. Yes. Oh, and I still need proper hiking boots. Damn, I need I need to go shopping for four more things. So this is what I got. I got two thermos. Thermos. Not thermos for tea, but you know, thermos. Yeah, so I got these two at 200 each. I also got these jackets. Is it jacket or is it also a thermal? Whatever. Yeah, and this one is a little too tall. It's a little too long. It needs someone. It's supposed to be worn by someone who has a longer bodies, but I can always fold it. This one was also went for 200. I got this. I think it's also a thermal tights, whatever. So this one went for 50 bob. What else? This one too went for 50 bob. It's also oh, hike jogging pants. That's the right word. Jogging pants. So it also went for 50 bob. And I love this little detail over here. You can see it's like it's overlapping or something. It's really cute. Went for 50 bob. I think this is what we call cargo pants. Is it? I don't know. Can you tell me what it is in the comments below? But I loved the color. It's a little too tight. Okay, not too tight, but it's fitting. And I love this little detail over here. The beauty of this one is that I can wear it once I am done with hiking, because it's quite stylish. I can wear it with a white tank. Is it a tank top, or what do you youngins call it? I also bought these pants. The beauty of these ones is that I can chill at home in them. Yeah, this one went for, was it 150 or 200? But I know this one was going for 350. And then I bought this one, waterproof jacket. It's really light, like really light. The only thing I don't like about it is that the hand is a little, the sleeve the sleeve is a little too short, and yeah, but I think we can rectify that with gloves. So yeah, I think I should wear it properly so that you can see. Where's the hand? Where's the hand? As you can see, the hand is a little, the length of the sleeve is a little too short, but gloves will come through. And speaking of gloves, I bought waterproof gloves. The last time I just bought some really cute gloves, but they were not waterproof, and yeah, these ones are really nice. Like, they are really insulated, they are waterproof, as you can see. Yeah, these ones are going for 200 too. It's like everything was going for 200 bob. Yeah, so I can't wait to rock them. Let's see. And they are adjustable. The sleeve, yeah, whatever. The sleeve is adjustable, and yeah, so you can also adjust over here so that it can remain tight in your hand. So yeah, this was going for 200. I think I already mentioned that. And these thermal socks too. So these ones are, I think this is what I'll wear when it's time to sleep. Yeah, they're really, really warm and cushy. I think they were going for 100 bob. Damn, I should have done this video that means the next day after the shopping, because right now I can't remember, but I'm sure it was more than 50 bob, so must have been 100. Yeah. And list, oh, there are other socks over here, just as squishy and warm, but these ones are not these ones can be worn with shoes because they're warm but really light. Damn, I can't remember whether they were 50 bob or 30 bob. Yeah, but they were not more than 100. And then I bought these pants, waterproof pants. They were also going for 200 bob. Yeah, and they're really, really, really properly waterproof, as you can see. And the beauty is that you don't have to really, what I meant to say is it has a zipper on both sides, like that, like that. So I found this detail really, really beautiful. Unfortunately, they don't have pockets, which is quite a bummer. And they are adjustable down here, like you can so the zip runs from the waist to the bottom. It runs all the way here. Damn, this is annoying. So yeah, as you can see, there's a zip down there, there's a zip up here, and you can adjust the tightness of the pants down here. Yeah, I think I've already mentioned this was also going for 200. Yeah, and I didn't have to get inside the didn't have to get inside the stalls, so I just bought them at the peripherals of the, once you get into Gikomba. So these three, these four, I bought from one person. These two were bought from one person. And oh yeah, and these two were bought from another person. Socks, I think I bought them from 2 different people. And of course the gloves were bought from another totally different person. So yeah, that is my shopping, my little shopping spree from Gikomba as usual. What else? So yeah, I think I spent 2,500 if I'm not wrong, but I'm really sure it didn't go past 3,000. Yeah, must have been 2,300. And yeah, so that marks the end of my video. So yeah, thank you so much for dropping by, and thank you for subscribing. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I hope you've watched up to this part of the video, and please tell a friend, and let them tell their what? Their puppies. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for subscribing, and bye.